scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Inflation rises, output stays unchanged, and the economy started at full employment. That long-run combo points to one policy move. Option D. In the long run, an economy at full employment sits at its natural level of output. So if real output does not change, long-run production stayed fixed even while prices moved higher. That means we need something that raises inflation without permanently changing real output. A sustained increase in the money supply does exactly that, because money mainly affects prices in the long run. The economy can get a temporary output bump, but in the long run, it returns to full employment output, leaving higher inflation. Well done! Option D. Scan now, watch signs, avoid rush. Trust given conditions and check the long-run steps before choosing what really changes output.